For this sort of thing with mosaics, I use a mastic one pot, which is it's pretty good because it's instant stick. I'm trying not to cover my lines because I need to keep an eye on them so I know what I'm doing with laying the penny rounds. Sometimes I use this glue also when I'm doing a subway tile splashback, but I don't like it. I don't like it that much. It's only good for certain applications. You can't use it all the time for everything. If you have it too thick, it doesn't dry. It's always flexible. Well, it never dries. So it's always got to be thin enough. I did a big restaurant floor in penny rounds one time, and I used a 3mm notchy. Worked out well. You get it on any way you can. So whether you're using the flat part of your trowel or whatever works, just get it on there and then tidy it up once you got it on. But the beauty of this is that it doesn't sag when you press it into position. It's there, that's it, it stays. You don't have to wedge it or put in spaces or no. So hopefully that's going to work all right. Where have we missed? Cool. Right, so let's go. Through through the center line, halfway through. If it looks like that at the top, it'll look like that at the bottom, so that's cool. Right, so I'm gonna have to, oh yeah, that's cool. Ooh, ah! I thought I'd be dropping down a row for it to fit, but no, that's all good. See the instant stick? It's like, yeah, brilliant. How many are we there? Be about 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, four. Now, if you're asking the question, why didn't I go to the center again? Because you're always off lay. You move it, so no one can pick up where the join is. If you dig what I mean. One, two, three, four. Whoop, 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 whoop. Oh. I just trim those off a tad.